One evening, Sir Topham Hatt came to Tidmouth Sheds to tell the engines some important news. "Good evening, everyone. I hope you are all doing well." He winked at Henry. "I have recently purchased 2 new tank engines." Then the engines heard a pair of unfamiliar whistles. "Hello," they said. "My name is Andy, and my name is Joseph." "Welcome, Andy and Joseph. I hope you two are doing well." However, James objected. Sir, where are they going to sleep?" "Yeah," interjected Duck. "It doesn't look like there's any room here at Tidmouth Sheds." "Oh, don't worry. They'll be joining Toby and Daisy at Farquhar Sheds. Now, off you two, Puff." And the 2 engines puffed away. At Farquhar Sheds, Daisy was ranting about her swaggers and swerves and how she is extremely important and high-strung.
"You just don't understand, Toby. I am a very high-spring engine, and my swaggers and swerves need a lot of care. That's why I have a shed and you don't. I'm very important, and so are my swaggers and swerves. My fitter has a very hard time."
Just then, the 2 heard a pair of unfamiliar whistles.
"Who are you two?"
"Hello, we're the new tank engines." "Ah, yes," said Toby. "Andy and Joseph, is that it?" "Yes, it is. We'll be staying here with you 2. "Oh, wonderful. I can teach you 2 how to shunt trucks." "No, thank you," said Andy. "I think we can manage." "Yeah," said Joseph. "We shunted trucks on our old railway. It can't be that much difficult." "Okay," said Toby. "Suit yourself," he sighed. The 4 engines went to sleep.